Well, hello everyone. An inappropriate amount of packages has arrived from AliExpress again, and I'm pretty sure it's Sashiko items. I started getting sick on June 1st with my kidney stones, and then immediately after got a terrible case of COVID. And it's been kind of a health nightmare ever since. So I don't necessarily remember ordering all of these. I'm sure I was motivated by having snaffle raffle items for my patrons, but all the same, don't necessarily know what will be in here other than, yes, it's patterns. Hopefully I didn't order the same patterns twice. If I did, the patrons will have a really good snaffle. Patron shout out of the day to Louisa Budd. If you're listening out there in the Britain, I say hello to you and hope you're not burning alive. I don't know how hot it is over there. Ooh, okay. This pattern, let me pause this because I tried to copy this by sight and I did an okay job, but this will make it easier. Hold on, pause. Please ignore any cat hair. I used a dime to make the circles because I didn't have a pattern. So I just used a dime, but I used some of that really cool, oh my gosh, the cat hair. Gotta sticky roller this. But this is what this pattern is. And I liked it so much that I went and got the pattern. It's $6.99 for these large ones. Still cheaper than you'll find them in America. And this one is, I just liked this one. It looked like kind of holiday-y. And it also reminded me of like Scythian wheat patterns. And it also, I don't know that it's actually Sashiko. This might just be like a quilt pattern because I'm not sure how you would do this without generally actual Sashiko. That's not the, there's two kinds of Sashiko. One of them you work all in running stitch and you go from one end to the other the whole time after you baste it. The other type of Sashiko, and I'm not remembering them right now and I'm not going to look it up, but the other type of Sashiko, it's okay for you to bounce around and do it as single stitching, but I've never seen this pattern in a Sashiko book, so I still like it, don't care. We'll use it for big stitch quilting, but this is my attempt to dupe that by sight. I did a not so bad job. Good for me. Since I did it with a dime and I just a pencil, it looks like. Oh, look at that. You know what, Erica? Look at that. You're not the dumbest girl in all the land. Sometimes I wonder. And other times I'm like, hey, you might be intelligent. Cool. Okay, so I got these for $6.99 each on AliExpress, and this is what I was trying to dupe like 2 months ago, apparently, when I ordered this. All right, next package. These feel like hard acrylic ones. And yes, they are. So if you have Ehlers Danlos nails like I do that are all buckled and unhappy, do not try to peel the protective off the plexi. Have someone with brutally strong nails do it because it will absolutely destroy your fingers. Oh, is there something else in there? Or did you just make a loud noise? I'll check later. Okay. Ooh, we got this is tortoise shell, and this line you would connect with stitches or with your tracing, with your chalk pencil. This is a tortoise shell pattern. I want to do some like sea turtles and indigenous animals. And this one, because they can't cut it out all the way across or it would weaken the whole thing and make it flimsy. So this kind of, you would do one, then layer it, make it match and do the other. So you get a very elaborate pattern. I do not remember ordering that in any stretch of the imagination. Don't remember ordering this one either. This is, I think, one of the fortune related ones. Ooh, this one's so cute. So this one, because obviously if they cut these out because they intersect or touch at least your stitches, they would have the whole middle fall out. So you trace this and these so you have something to line up on, and then you just rotate the pattern twice to get all your edges in, traced on your fabric. That one's super cute. These ones are inexplicably taped together. Why? Why do you... Why? What? Those ones weren't taped together. What makes these ones special? Oh my god. Now I gotta cut all this washi tape and more things to peel. My husband's gonna be peeling a lot of vinyl covering in front of the TV this evening. Sorry, Chris. Okay, this one I liked because it looked like wind. It looked like Avatar: The Last Airbender wind, and I like that. Ugh, gross. I'm ripping tape off of here for days. Okay, so that one's kind of windy, which looked fun. Don't know if that's a Sashiko pattern or if it's just a quilt, like a big stitch quilt pattern. This is definitely Sashiko. This is the smaller repeating tortoise shell pattern. This one is a cool interlocking one. Love that. So cool. And then there seems to be a couple in here that I have no recollection of purchasing. Well, chalk that up to being really, really sick. Okay, we have Fling. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. That one's very boxy. I would put it over a boxier dyed fabric. That one's great. Ooh, this one's really cute. Do little hexagons to hang on the wall. I have a giant box of hexagons very close to me. And this one's really nice too. And these you would break up into multiple stitches, but it's easier to cut them like that. Awesome. Okay, last one. God, what could be in here? I don't even remember. These are a lot. Might be sending these to some weaver birds. What is this? Yep, it's more stencils. It sure is. Oh God. Aggressive. I'll recycle all that, don't worry. Oh no. Oh, there's so many in here, Erica. No. Oh no. Okay, well, we'll give some of these to weaver birds. Ooh, but look how cool they are. Maybe not. Mine. Trash. Oh my God, there's so many. Ooh, ooh, the little tree rings. Look, look. You can make little coasters like tree rings. And then this one looks so Christmassy. You could do Christmas ornaments that look like little tree rings. Well, these ones I had to get, obviously, because I got the other tree rings the other day. And if you watched my other video, you can go see me unbox the other tree rings. These are so cute. Look at the little tree rings. Okay, tree rings. Love that. Love the piney thing. This is huge, Erica. Why? Didn't we get one just like this? That's not tree rings the other day? I'm pretty sure we did. That's okay. That's neither here nor there. We're going to let that go. Maybe we'll use this as a snaffle item. Snaffle item. Yay. Cardboard. Chuck. Yeah. Ooh. This is the mountainous pattern. Love that. Okay, and then here is our last little Sashiko thing from this, oh God, forsaken order. Ooh, look at the waves. So good for ocean creatures, and you could do this on just a single square and use it as a quilt piece if you were going to sew all of your stuff together. And then I got some wavy lines. Ooh, so wavy. And then some larger sine wave wavy lines. Love it. Okay, let me know what your favorite pattern was. I think tree rings and pine needles are my favorite. These are close though. And the plastic ones are just nice to have because they're so gosh darn durable. But I think I will definitely assemble some snaffle kit items out of these, as I do with most of my supplies. And I thank you for coming to another weird unboxing of too many Sashiko stencils. Dear Lord, I've become my grandma. I've bought enough stencils that I can't use them in a lifetime, so I will send away the ones that have no hope of ever being used in my human lifespan. Anyway, I hope you will come join us on Patreon, and the patron shout out today was for Louisa Bud, and we'll give her a shout out to the Tiny Tailor as well, who is probably assisting her with something as we speak. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!